Man, my boat looks small. Today we're gonna be making the hot lobster roll from Harrings here in Noank, Connecticut. One of my favorite spots. Summertime, even the off season. Don't go telling anybody, but it's one of my favorite places to go. Pull up in the boat after going to the beach with the family or out fishing, get a little lunch, get a little dinner. The indoor dining room is just super cozy, just like the outside. Great little nautical theme. Classic restaurant that's been here for quite some time. Great food, great ice cream, great service. There's a liquor store right up the street, deliver right to you. Love a good BYOB, and Chef Chris and my buddy Dan took it over a few years ago. They really just have done some wonders for it. So there's two types of lobster rolls, right? There's the hot and the cold being the mayonnaise based, which I love. I love both, and the hot being more of like a buttery, kind of warm, chive, delicious. I think there's a time and a place for both. When in doubt, get both, in my personal opinion. Again, I like both. I'm not a big favorites guy, but today we are going to be making the hot, buttery, melt in your mouth, warm lobster, melted butter, chives, toasted, top split bun. I mean, you can't go wrong. A little side of potato salad. Let's go meet up with Chef Chris and check out Harrings.
Yeah,
thanks for having us.
Of course.
Beautiful day here at Harrings as usual. Before we start cooking, I like to do a little ingredient shrine, pay respect to some of the stuff, little educational purposes. Clearly we have our lobster here, beautiful, northeast, you know, the best.
Spry, kicking.
That's it, man, real spry, a lot of life in them.
Butter, salted butter. We only use salted butter down here.
You know what, me too, personally.
I'm always adding salt to it.
Couldn't agree more. And you know what, if your food is, oh my God, it's too salty, I can't eat it, you know what it's never from?
The butter.
It's never from the butter.
I'm
with you, man.
The butter's not salty, it just tastes good.
It just has you season everything. Why wouldn't you season your butter? And you bakers too could frig off. Put it right in your croissant. I don't care. Get out of here. Next, little what? Little lemon?
Little lemon.
Can't get that past me. Chopped up little lobster meat. I know we steam them, right? Talk to me about that. You're a steamer?
Yeah, we steam them, so we use fresh meat. Anytime you're boiling something, taste the water afterwards.
Yeah.
Could have been in the food.
You're stripping flavor and everything. We're really seeing eye to eye today here. And then what do you got? Talk about, because like I wouldn't consider this a sandwich. Food on bread.
Yeah.
So what are you trying to say here? But the bread is important. A lobster roll, bread's half the battle.
That's a brioche bun. So high fat content, high butter content.
High gunnels on it too. I like the size of it.
You can get the half pound in there when you need to.
Is that what you guys put in here?
We do both. Quarter and half.
Okay. Yeah. And then what's this little concoction you got whipped up?
So that's a sherry and white wine mixture.
Oh.
We're gonna make a reduction out of that and then make like a Bermonte, Blanc. The sherry adds a little like sweetness. You know, it's traditional in lobster bisque.
Goes great with crustacean.
Yeah.
It's simple. You let the ingredients speak.
Connecticut hot lobster roll is such a classic thing. They'll be coming down the hill with pitchforks if you change it too much, but I think
people get pissed.
People get pissed. You don't want to, you know, you start adding stuff to it or whatever. So I take it as far as, you know, I say, oh, you know, traditional, just kind of poached in hot butter. Why don't we emulsify that? Why don't we make a sauce out of it? That way it coats the lobster a little better.
I like that. Keeping it traditional, but just slight elevate.
Tweak.
Well, this is beautiful stuff, man, and let's get into it. First up, what, you like to toast the bread, you said?
Nice and golden brown on both sides. We'll pull that off so it doesn't go over on us. And then we're gonna start this reduction.
And that's adding white wine, sherry mixture.
White wine, sherry.
Proprietary blend.
Quarter cup of each.
Right.
And we're gonna bring that way down.
Like by half?
More than that, probably to almost a syrup.
That's when you hit it with the butter.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna emulsify that butter into it.
So you reduce your wines by 70%, 80%.
Yeah.
Hit it with your butter, and then you're doing it in the pan. You swirl it. That's where the emulsification happens.
Yeah, I just do it. That's why
pan sauce.
Yeah, that's why I use a wide pan so I can get some movement. Yeah. So we're reduced a bunch, reduced about there. We're gonna give it a little. It goes quick.
I like that. That's very reduced to about there. That's something I would say. And then what next? You hit it with the butter.
Yeah, hit it with butter. Cold butter.
Cold butter
always helps.
So I noticed you pulled it off the heat and you're using that cold butter. That helps make a...
Yeah. If it keeps boiling, it's gonna break on you. You can see it starting to thicken up.
Yeah, getting real nice and velvety. Oh, it smells good. That little whisper of wood from the sherry. Just a whisper. Yeah, good little touch over just straight butter.
Yeah, because it is just, I mean, it's not just straight butter. There's some wine in there, but you could do the same thing with water as your emulsifying agent. If you didn't want to introduce a wine flavor to it, you could put water in there.
Just to give it that velvety...
Just to make a sauce with it.
I mean, look at that. I like that.
We'll hit it with a little salt.
A little nappe.
We'll hit it with a little lemon.
Oh, That's delicious, Chris. You know what? Lobster is gonna fall in love with that mixture, huh? And how much meat you like to add there?
This is probably somewhere around 6-7 ounces, but
Okay.
we're gonna make a nice big roll for
Yeah,
you, all right?
that's a little chubber. So lobster, you're happy with. Sauce made, nice and hot.
Yeah, warm.
Warm.
Not too hot.
Because that'll break the sauce.
That'll break the sauce and it'll also overcook the lobster.
Right, you don't
it's
want
kind of
that.
like a mid-rare steak. It can never be hot. You know what I mean?
Right, good
So
point.
if it gets hot, you're
You're right, there is that kind of happy,
yeah.
where it's just
Yeah.
velvety and,
Yeah, it
and
should-
smooth.
People call it a hot lobster roll. It should be called a warm lobster roll.
Yeah, all right. So you get a little potato salad with this, or is that a little side?
It's a side. Yeah, we do potato salad, slaw. We do our Old Bay macaroni salad, and then we do fries as well.
Which side do you sell the most of?
Probably slaw down here.
Really?
Yeah.
Side of slaw goes the most out
Side
here.
of slaw. Slaw does well down here.
Do you guys sell chowder all winter?
We do.
Oh, I like
All
that.
summer too. Rhode Island and New England.
Oh,
We're gonna open our bun up just a little bit here.
yeah, it looks good. If you can't get into that, I can't help you.
I'm gonna hit it with a little Malden salt, a little flaky salt, a little chive. Not too much. I won't piss anybody off.
Oh, people get mad at too many chives? I
Maybe.
like a lot of chives.
And a little squeeze of lemon.
Look at that, bud, huh? Hello, summer. What's that? You live in Virginia? We'll take a little road trip. This thing looks great, man. I'm gonna have to, let me get a little bite in there, I guess, huh?
Please do.
Kind of have to.
We know what you think.
Oh, look at that thing. She's a hog.
I got more butter if you need
Oh.
it.
Yeah, let me get another pull on that. Oh, man. Yeah, he's like, oh, they're eating us.
Yeah, yeah. He knows.
They just ate
He
milk.
knows the
I see where
story.
this is going. I really like both types of cold and hot. Sometimes, man, the hot just hits just right? I mean, butter and lobster on hot brioche, you kind of can't go wrong.
go wrong.
What I love about your lobster roll is that little pan sauce, that little extra step you take of bringing down the sherry and the white wine. It just gives that little depth. The lobster kind of loves it. Little hint of wood and just kind of, I don't want to say umami, but just like depth. Yeah, man, it's perfect. That's why you guys sell the
agree.
hell out of them, and it's just an icon, right? Classic New England staple. Summer's here, all right? Stop on in the Harrings, guys, if you're in the area, right in Noank, Connecticut. Beautiful little spot, and Chris is cooking up some of the best food in the area, man. And one of my favorite lobster rolls. Thank you again for cooking it, man, and showing me the recipe so I can cook it at home a little bit as well.
Of course, thanks for coming.
And yeah, man, just on the way, I got the boat here. Caught a couple bass this morning. That's why I was a couple minutes late.
That's all right.
Couldn't, birds were going. What am I supposed to do?
I get it.
I'm gonna get a little ice cream on the way out. You guys, I noticed you started slinging ice cream.
Yeah, we partnered with Mr. Crawford's Ice Cream. They're making some ice cream for us.
That's
and we're-
new. That wasn't here last year, right?
No, sir. 2 days old.
2026 opener, bud. Well, Chris, man, I'll let you get back to work. Thank you again for hanging out, showing us how to make the lobster roll down here, and letting us hang out at Harings for a little bit.
Go catch some fish.
Well, we gotta go fishing together soon.
All right, let's go.
Pull you out of the restaurant. Let's go, all right? Tell them it's part of the shoot.
It's part of the shoot.
It's part of the shoot. We have to go out and yada, yada, yada.
Yeah.
Chris, thanks,
Good to see you, brother.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have to get some ice cream on the way out. Me and Billy here.
Please do.
We'll stop by the window. Have a good summer. Boat responsibly. Okay? They give out these boating licenses like it's no big deal.
Give it to
Dangerous.
Give it to a 10-year-old kid.
Hey, give it to a kid. Be careful. Have a good summer, and we love you. All right, I'm gonna take this with me. Let's go get a little ice cream. Let's talk to Blueberry.
Let's go.